You never say anything in English meetings. Why are you so quiet? You're in an English meeting, but you're just a listener. You're not even participating. People think, why isn't that person ever sharing their opinion or commenting on our discussion? Well, today I'm going to share with you one easy tip that you can use so you can speak more in your English IT meetings at work. Hi, I'm Tom Baran-Martinez. Welcome to my channel. I help IT professionals from LATAM, just like you, improve their English speaking so they can advance in their IT careers. If that's something you're interested in, then please hit the like, hit the subscribe button below with that notification bell so you can see all of my English video tips. In your next English meeting, I want you to try this tip. Speak first. Speak first before other people. Don't wait to be the very last person to talk if you're shy or nervous naturally in Spanish or in Portuguese. And then you put yourself in an English meeting. Imagine how shy or nervous you're going to be there. So, my challenge for you is instead of waiting to be the very last person to speak, try to speak first. When the presenter says, "Does anyone have any questions?" ask your question first. This is going to take a little bit of the pressure of the nervousness off of you because once you say your first comment, then it's so much easier to participate in the rest of the meeting. You're really not nervous during the whole meeting. You're only nervous about that first time you have to speak in English. So instead of waiting until the end, or instead of waiting to be the very last person to speak in an English meeting, speak first. Give your comment, give your question, give your opinion first, and then you'll feel much more relaxed in the rest of the meeting. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please hit the like, the repost button below, share this with your friends and coworkers, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.